I'm so happy also to be with the Dean of the Chapel in this breakfast with the President. And for many, many years, I was telling people that he has been with me for many years, more than 20 years, working and attending and also preaching to the students throughout Beulah Heights and outside the country. I thank you so much, brother, for what you have done and teaching English as second language in our Marietta campus. So I'm so happy to join with you today, and may God be with you and with your family and what you do. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for the opportunity for having all of us here today.
Thank you so much. Yes. For those international students who look for the admissions, I'm here now with Divine. Divine is our director of admissions, and she deals also with the international student. So if you don't get your letter of admissions, blame it to her. Blame it to her. But she works so hard. Thank you for this day. It is important, and I'm enjoying this. How do you enjoy the breakfast? How do you enjoy the lunch today?
It was amazing.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. And most of the youth that are not doing work well, sometimes you need some advice. And I'm here with Dr. Armstrong. Dr. Armstrong is the one that advises you. She helps you, brings you back. So thank you so much, Doctor. I have also known Dr. Armstrong for more than 25 years. And here she is with the Man of the Year, Mr. Wendell, for the great work that he does for us. Thank you. Thank you so much. We're doing it. Yeah! Thank you so much for the work that you have done. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the students that are calling for registrar's office, they mean this young lady here. The work that you have done in the registrar's office, how do you feel about that?
Thank you. It's been great, a great opportunity, and I feel very blessed to work with our students, our staff, and especially for the purpose of Beulah Heights University.
Thank you so much. And this one here now is also from our Marietta Extension.
Yes.
She helps the great lady from the other side, Dr. Dematella. So if you're an international student, you want English as a second language, this is the person to know. You've got to know their number. You can call her 24 hours. She'll make sure that she responds to that. Thank you so much for the work that you do. But again, we will be amiss if we don't talk about Korea. Whenever I go to Korea, Dr. Joe is the one who directs me there. He makes me work from morning to midnight. Thank you, Dr. Joe, for the connection, and Dr. Park and Dr. Lee. Thank you so much for the work. And I'm going to finish here by talking to Dematella. Dematella, for many of you that don't know Dematella, most of the international students who want English as a second language, they see this lady. We started our extension in Marietta about 5 or 6 years ago with about 14 students. She has led that place where it has grown to more than 200 students, and we thank her. Thank you for your leadership. She's hurting, but her heart is good and strong. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you.